Herring, a small, silver-skinned fish belonging to the Clupeidae family, is often overshadowed by its more popular counterparts like salmon and tuna. However, this nutrient-dense fish is a powerhouse of health benefits that deserve attention. Known for its rich flavor and versatility in culinary applications, herring also packs a punch when it comes to nutritional value. Let's dive into the compelling medical benefits of herring and why it should be a staple in your diet. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, one of the standout features of herring is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for heart health, as they help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. The American Heart Association recommends consuming fatty fish like herring at least twice a week to reap these benefits. Omega-3s are also linked to improved brain health, potentially lowering the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Source of high-quality protein. Herring is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is vital for muscle repair and growth, hormone production, and maintaining a healthy immune system. A serving of herring provides a substantial amount of protein while being relatively low in calories, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Moreover, the amino acids found in herring are essential for various bodily functions, including the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are crucial for brain health. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this small fish is also a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. Herring is particularly rich in vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding calcium absorption. Adequate levels of vitamin D are also important for regulating the immune system and reducing inflammation. Additionally, herring contains significant amounts of vitamin B12, essential for red blood cell formation and neurological function. Moreover, herring is an excellent source of selenium, a mineral that acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage and supporting thyroid function. The presence of phosphorus in herring is also beneficial, as it contributes to the formation of bones and teeth and supports energy production. Supports heart health. Regular consumption of herring can have a profound impact on heart health. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and various vitamins and minerals helps reduce the risk factors associated with cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that individuals who include fatty fish in their diet have lower levels of triglycerides, improved cholesterol profiles, and reduced blood pressure levels. May enhance mood and mental well-being. The omega-3 fatty acids found in herring are not just beneficial for physical health, they also play a significant role in mental well-being. Research suggests that these fats can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, promoting overall emotional health. The presence of vitamin B12 and other nutrients in herring further supports brain health, making it a food that not only nourishes the body but also uplifts the mind. Conclusion: incorporating herring into your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, from enhancing heart and brain health to providing essential nutrients for overall well-being. Whether enjoyed smoked, pickled, or grilled, this delicious fish is a versatile addition to various dishes. So, the next time you're planning your meals, consider adding herring to your shopping list. Your body and taste buds will thank you.